Hi folks, welcome to Get This. I'm Dr. MM and here's OneNote Episode 6 Settings Part 2. In this episode, I will continue to explain the components of the Settings menu in OneNote. Let me go to Settings and Options one more time. Under Create New Pages, you have three options. Below the selected page allows you to create a new page underneath the one you're working on. So, with it selected, if I'm working on this page and click the plus page button over here, the new page will show up beneath it, like so. Let's get back to the Options menu. At the top of the page list allows you to create a new page exactly at the beginning or top of the section you're working on, like so. Back to Settings and Options, and at the bottom of the page list allows you to create a new page exactly at the bottom of the section you're working on, like so. Whatever you choose is really up to you. Let me go back to Settings, Options, and leave below the selected page as my favorite. Under Default Fonts, you can make whatever changes you prefer. OneNote comes with Calibri 11 points. My favorite choice is Verdana 12 points. This means that every time I open a new page in OneNote, it will have the Verdana 12-point fonts. Over here, leave the Enable Experimental Features on, just in case Microsoft releases something new and interesting. Keep Hide Spelling Errors off because you really want OneNote to show you such errors. The next feature is capitalize the first letter of sentences. My recommendation, leave it on. Now, under Paste Options, I prefer Merge Formatting. What this does is force copied and pasted text to take the default font I selected above, Verdana 12 points. The other options are Keep Source Formatting, which allows pasted text to keep the formatting from the original source, and Keep Text Only eliminates some clutter and overall works like Keep Source Formatting. Again, this is purely your choice. Last but not least, I have chosen not to include the links to the sources from which I copy and paste information, but you can turn it on if you wish. Well, this is everything you can find under Options, so you can set up OneNote the way you like. Let me go back to the main menu of Settings by clicking on this arrow. The next one is Privacy. Nothing to do here, but I just wanted to show it to you anyway. Let's go back. Here's Help. I will not click on it because it will take me to the support page of OneNote on the internet. That's what it does. You use it if you want more help from the OneNote support page. Account opens a box that I showed you in the previous video where I can add a new account. Office Insider is better left alone if you do not want to mess up OneNote on your computer for that matter. When you check the box at the bottom, Microsoft will install new features for OneNote that have been tested to some extent, but may still have functional problems. It could be chaotic sometimes, trust me. Therefore, keep the box unchecked. Under Trust Center, I recommend leaving the switch in the On mode. However, some people might not be comfortable allowing Microsoft to collect information on their usage and preferences. When you click on Feedback, this is what you see if you're interested in giving Microsoft feedback on anything related to the app. And last but not least is About. When you click on it, you see your OneNote version and find out what's new. Let's see what's new at the time of this recording. Improved printouts of Office files, dark mode, which I showed you already, upload and insert cloud files with ease, the topic of a future video. Improved print to OneNote, same thing. Easier access to your notes, the legacy panels I showed you under options. Create a math quiz for practice, the topic of another video. Read aloud math solution steps with immersive reader, pretty cool again, another video. Edit embedded files, another video. And help shape the future of Office, which I recommended not to do unless you're proficient. There are always risks involved. And access your notebooks from anywhere. Normally that's what OneNote does. Store your notebooks in the cloud. No need to worry. And that's part 2 of OneNote settings, folks. I hope you make full use of it from now on. Stay tuned for more episodes showing you how to use OneNote. I'm Dr. MM, and I really want you to get this.